Hello everybody, welcome to Ankara Nation Online Training. My name is Lizzie. On this channel, I'll be teaching you how to make Ankara accessories. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting video. Thank you! Today, I'll be teaching you how to wrap your heel shoe with your Ankara material. These are the materials I will be using. Ankara material, heel shoe. You can decide to use your old shoe or your new shoe. Gum, blade, and scissors to cut. Now, to cut out a material and fold it on the shoe like this. If you are using a bigger material like this one, what you need to do is put it on the shoe like this, fold it in, and use your scissors to cut out your excess. That is how I got this one. I've already cut out all my excesses from the material. Now, put your material on the shoe you want to wrap with your Ankara material and fold it in like this. Fold it in. Then pick your pen and draw out where you will cut from your material. Draw the shape of your shoe out from your material. Draw the shape with your pen. After drawing out the shape, you pick your scissors. Use the shape and pick your scissors and cut out that shape. After cutting out the shape, then you use your scissors and open this side like this. That is the back of the shoe. Use your scissors to open it into two. Then you place your material. This is how it will look like when you want to wrap your shoe. It will look like this. Wrap it. Then you add your gum on your heel shoe you want to wrap before we add our Ankara material. Start adding your gum. Start adding your gum on the shoe you want to wrap. After adding gum to your shoe, remember, this is a double heel shoe. This is another heel at the downside here, and this is another shoe. Now, we will first gum the up side before we gum this down. But if you are using a shoe heel that is not double heel, that is just one heel altogether, you just wrap your material at once to this point. But since we are using a double heel shoe, we have to wrap one after. That means we have to wrap the up one first before we start to wrap the downside. Then after adding gum, you leave it for some while to dry. Pick your material you've already cut out and place it on your shoe. You use your hand to smoothen it. When you want to start wrapping, you add your gum to the edge of the material and the edge of your shoe too. You want to wrap. Then fold in your material a bit like this. Fold the edge a bit like this. Fold the edge. After folding the edge like this, you gum it in on your shoe you want to wrap like this. You push it in. After folding in like this, remember this back that we cut. Now you gum here. This back that we cut into two. This is one part. I've already gum it. This is the other part. Now you cut out your excess. This one will be on this one like this. You cut out your excess material. Now After gumming this one like this, you want to gum this one on this one. You add your gum to the edge of this remaining one. You fold the cloth like this. Fold the cloth and gum it on this other one. After folding in like this, then we are left with the down of our heel. Remember, this heel is having two. One is here, one is up. Now this is how we'll be folding in our material. Here, you look for a sharp object, maybe knife or scissors. You'll be folding in your material a little bit from here, like this. Cover your material and start folding in like this. After folding it in like this, that's how it will look like. Then we are left with this down part of our heel. Now we'll be adding gum to this side of the shoe and we'll wrap our material on it. Some heels like this, you can't fix in your material. Maybe they are too, the gum is very strong. Like maybe you can, if you can't open it, if you can't use your knife to fix in your material, just cut out all these excesses on your material, then you fold it in like this and gum. That is how you do to those ones. The heel that you know you cannot fix in your material, you just gum it. You gum like this. Nice. But this one, we'll wrap it first, then we'll add our gum. We'll add our gum now. Add your gum to this down part. After you wait for your gum a little bit to dry, then you start wrapping your material. Use your hand to smoothen it. After folding it in, this is how it will look like. Now remember this back that we put on the self. You cut a small material like this. You add your gum to it. You want to use it to cover the back of that shoe. You can't leave that shoe like that. You add your material, you add your gum. After adding your gum like this, you fold the both edge. Fold this edge and fold this other edge too. After folding like this, add your gum a little bit to the back of your shoe like this, where we want to join that material to. Add your gum. Then this material, use it to cover this bolt line. Put it inside and use it to cover it. That's how you get a neat job. How you get a neat work. This is how it will look like after adding it. Cut out your excess. Now you add your gum to the heel of the shoe. Cut out a small material like this and gum it on it. When you get here, fold in your material like this and gum. The same thing when you get to this side of the heel too, fold in your material and gum. Then when you get here, don't cover this heel, the down of the shoe, with your material. Just fold in your material from up like this and leave this black heel to be showing. That's how you will be gumming the remaining part of your shoe. After wrapping the shoe, this is how it will look like. This is the back of the shoe and this is the front of the shoe. Now we want to design our shoe with our rose flower here. Remember, I will make our rose flower in our last video. You will cut out a material like this. The width is 3 inches. Fold it to the back, fold it to the front like this, and start running your stitches from this end to this end. Pick your needle and thread and run your stitches. We want to use this rose flower to design our shoe. When you are sewing, leave excess thread behind and continue running your stitches. After running your stitches from this end to this end, take your thread, the one that has your needle and the one you left behind, and drag them together. This is the shape of rose flower. This is how it will look like this. Now you tie your thread together. After tying it, this end and this end, put one inside the other one and run your invisible stitches. Use your scissors to fold the other edge inside. Pick your needle and run your invisible stitches. You sew from inside to inside. That is how to run invisible stitches, from inside to inside. After running your invisible stitches, you cut out your thread. Then this side, you can use your cover button to cover it as well, but me, I want to use back design. There is hook under it. You just pierce it on the center of your rose flower. After adding your back design, we want to use it to design our shoe. Pick your UA shoe gum, add a little bit here, leave it to dry for a while, then add your rose flower on it. You hold it to dry. Hold it to dry for a little while. This is the finished work of our Ankara heel shoe. This is the finished work of our Ankara heel shoe on my leg. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Ankara Nation. Thanks for watching.